Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. So this is really easy. Let's say I will just go to my gallery section and I will show you both here. Now let's go to my gallery in the album. Okay, so in the screenshot section or as well as in the other section I have this photo. Right now we will just go to our photos section here, which is Google Photos, and here as you can see a backup is off. So I will just go and click on and I will just go and click on right, I will just turn on the backup here and I will import a photo just to show you guys. Now here I am. So let me just clear the confusion. If you just back up your photo in Google Photos and if you delete it from your phone, so it will not get deleted in your Google Photos too, because this is a job of Google Photos to keep all your data safe, all your photos and videos, and you can get more space on your devices. But if you want to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from the phone, so make sure you don't delete it from phone. You can just directly delete here. So this is a photo which I want to delete. I will just go and click on three dots here, and here as you can see there's an option of delete, right? But here we can't able to find any option to delete. So how we can just delete this? As you can see here it is in the bottom right side corner. I will just go and click on delete. Now it has been moved to bin. After 30 days it get automatically deleted. Now if I just go to my normal photos section, it has not been deleted, right? So this is really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.